trusted by over 160 successful installations across leading textile mills. For years, Indo Technology has been delivering reliable automation solutions that improve productivity and performance. Our machines are successfully operating in some of the industry's most respected textile manufacturers.
The main thing is employee allocation. We primarily engaging close to 35 employees for this packing. Now it come down to 15.
मैं तो इस ऑटो पैकिंग वाले को बहुत थैंक्स देता हूँ कि बहुत सही समय पर हम उनका मशीन में इंट्रोड्यूस किया और हमको आराम मिल गया.
The trust of our customers is our greatest achievement. From installation to after-sales support, our team is committed to your success. Indo Technology. Automate and inspect to lead.